Hey guys, Jeremy from Speedworks here with the all-new Arctic Wildcat side-by-side. Going to be showing you guys a sound clip and some performance results to our slip-on exhaust system. We're going to start off by showing you the stock system and doing a decibel test to show you A, what it sounds like, and then B, do a comparison test with our exhaust so you guys know exactly what it sounds like before you make your purchase. So Dylan, go ahead and fire up, bud. So as you can see, stock system's about 93 to 95 decibels. We are kind of next to some gravel and stuff, which will throw it off a little bit, but the biggest thing is to give you guys a comparison so you kind of know what it sounds like before you make your purchase. Next we'll throw the stock system on there, show you guys what that looks like, and then B, what it's going to sound like and stuff too. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, send us an email, or check us out at speedworks.com. Thanks.